Target practice, baby.
What's up, Charter fam? We're gonna have a quick video today about some of the things that I've been kind of looking at online, because I was actually kind of thinking about taking some profits, but just weren't really sure when to, or if I'm even gonna, you know what I mean? But Bitcoin today, you know, we have to start off with Big Daddy Bitcoin. We're running about 63 here, okay? It's been kind of flirting with those late 60s, early 64Ks. Pretty much all day long, just up and down, back and forth. Right now we're 0.02 on the 1 hour in the red. Okay, so not really too much of a big deal, but like I said, it's been ranging a bit. Okay, so we have Ethereum's about 34, so that's pretty good, you know what I mean? ETH has been ranging between that 34 and that 32 mark, so it's just been kind of hit and miss here or there. And we have the fear and greed index about 57 on the neutral side of life. A couple days ago, we know that it was actually about 60 something up on there, and people were very fearful. Okay, but it has calmed down a little bit because the market kind of turned back around just a little tiny bit. We got the BTC dominance at about 53.8%. and ETH is at 17.6. okay, so that's pretty much it for Bitcoin. You gotta keep your eyes on Bitcoin. Okay, so anyways, we're looking at Memecoin today because Memecoin, you know, it was running, and I'm actually thinking like, man, should I take a little bit of profits? And I'm like, I'm not really too sure. As you can see, these little lines that I have here, they're actually marking higher lows and higher highs, so it is in an actual uptrend. See, it seems like right now it's in one of these. Yes, it's in one of those where it's kind of pulling back a little bit, but it's kind of looking like it might end up doing something like this and then starting to blast off the same way it did here. It went up, it came down just a bit, pulled back, and then it went off crazy. And next thing you know, you see here, it actually wicked down to somewhere around the, not really seeing my numbers right now, but it's all good. But it actually did wick down and got pulled back up very quickly. It could range down a little bit more and then blast off, but I was very tempted in taking some profit here. So we're just kind of keeping our eyes on the charts, you know, hope it just doesn't keep going down too much. But you know, if it starts going crazy, you got to handle your business. But at the same time, if it starts blasting off, we'll be in a good position. Okay, the next one I was taking a look at was Caspa. You know, you got to check on your Caspa bags. Caspa is clearly in an uptrend, It's kind of pulling back just a little bit, but we are in the green today. I think we're sitting around 17 cents right now. Let me see. I don't even know. Can we change this into market cap? Not really too sure. That's why normally I just roll on Dex Screener, but we're using you know, the little charts that they have. This is the trading view chart that is through CoinMarketCap, but it's looking pretty good. Caspa looking like it is ready to just blast off. Okay, so we're just keeping our eyes on that. Was I thinking about taking profit on Caspa? No way, but I was taking a look at the charts. You see down here, it actually wicked down to that 14-cent mark, but it got pulled back up very, very quickly, and soon thereafter it pulled down to the 15-cent mark, but it hasn't touched that mark since. I don't really think that we're going to see that 15 mark, 13-cent mark. I don't think we're even going to see that anymore, but we never know. Okay, when I got into Caspa, it was at I think I got into Caspa at 5 cents, and I got into Caspa by watching a YouTuber. Okay, he was just shilling it, and I was watching it, and I went and bought it, and been holding ever since. So this is Cetify right here. Cetify, when I actually got into Cetify was, I got a small bag of Cetify. It was at 55 cents, 50 cents, 55 cents, something like that. So I got in Cetify. No, not 55 cents. Was it 55 cents? Yes, 55 cents. Okay, I got into Cetify around this little box range here before it started moving, so I didn't buy a big enough bag. Okay, but Cetify right now is at about $1.49. It's pretty low. My thing is I'm keeping my eye on it because this is on the daily chart. Let's actually pull up the 4-hour chart. So it seems like we are still in our little boxing area here. Okay, our area, and we are just watching. See, I'm hoping Cetify was to drop down, you know, hey, 59 cents, the lower it drops, you know what I mean? The better position you can get, pretty much. So we're just kind of waiting to get a bigger bag of CeDeFi, maybe add to my position just a little bit. But we're kind of trying to keep our eyes on the charts, because I know you can't time the bottom, but you want to get the best position possible. And if it does decide to drop down more, I'm here for that. Otherwise, we'll end up buying around 149. If you end up watching and it starts going up, you start getting confirmation that you're in an uptrend. Like right now, if you look at this is sort of in an uptrend, but you can see a bit of a pullback. If you kind of outstretch this chart a little bit, look. So you can see it actually started, okay, it wicked down, and then it's pretty much on an it's pretty much on an uptrend. Now, whether it's gonna wick across and come back down, we're gonna have to wait and see. But there could be a chance. I don't know. Kind of looks like to me, because I was thinking that it was gonna range here and then pull back, maybe do a little bit of ranging, but there's not a lot of buy pressure in the house. Let's see if we can open up. Let me see. Let's go. Yeah, something real basic. That's what I was looking for, the basic. Okay. And let's see. Let's slap the MACD up there. Impulse MACD. Put that lazy bear up there. All right. Yeah, it kind of seems like if you take a look at your MACD down here, it looks like these two signal lines, they're crossing. So it kind of seeming like there's a chance that it could be in a small downtrend again. So that's kind of like what we're waiting on. I'm waiting to see if it's going to give me a little bit more confirmation that it's going to drop any lower. But otherwise, just to call it out there, 149 is an excellent price to get into CeDeFi though. Okay, I mean CeDeFi. Okay, just put it out there. It's a launch pad. Go ahead and look it up. Pretty good project. It's a good position to get in. This is a project that I actually found a couple days ago on Deck Screener. It's called Pendy. It's on the Ethereum side of life. Pendy on ETH. This is going to be the 15-minute chart. Looks like it's finally starting to level itself off at about 3.5 mil mark. It has about 230K in liquidity, 698K on the volume. Okay. It says that it has one issue. It has blacklisted. Okay, I didn't like that, but I'm not really sure. I kind of read some stuff about that. It's one of them super ass risky plays. You know what I mean? Let's go ahead and I already checked the token contract address. It looked okay. It said that trading was open, all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and let's grab the token address. Let's go to our rug check here. Okay, as you guys can see, if you didn't see that already, I actually already kind of checked it out. Okay, so the token name is Pendy, token symbol is Pendy, nice trading is open, buy and sell fee is 0. Like I said, it's on the Ethereum side of life. Let's actually open up the website. Okay, so Pendy, it says Pepe's wife Pendy. I don't know what that is. Okay, this is a DGen website. Crypto like Trump. One moment you're in jail, next you're in the White House. Ain't that some stuff, all right? So this is Pendy. Made by Wendy's, approved by Matt Fury. Okay, Pendy doesn't have only frogs. However, check these out. Okay, it's gonna be a nice little. They have nice little. Their meme game seems like it's kind of tightened up just a little bit. They got a little Friday. Seems like Matt Fury approves Pendy. It all begins when Wendy's, the popular fast food chain, and Matt Fury, the creator of Pepe the Frog, both tweeted the Pepe/Wendy on 2017. A random fan asked Wendy to share a joke, and they shared a mixture of Pepe Wendy's. Okay, so I guess it is Pepe, but he's kind of dressed up like Wendy. All right, so The memecoins, it is crispy tax. I like that. 000 vanilla frosty LP. Okay, fats, all that good stuff. 1 2 3, that's mil bill trill. So 420 trillion. CEX 4.2%. 95.8 of it is burned. Okay, ginger ownerships. Nice little funny situation here. I kind of liked that. Chicken, what does that say? It says what we do to a chicky nuggy after the dip. So I guess we eat it up. Eat it up, eat it up, eat it up. Okay, so they got the little things going on here. Got the little Pepe, a little about to squab a little bit. So it looked pretty good. Nothing really too interesting. For the most part, right now, it's still a fairly new token. It only dropped about 2.5 days ago. It actually went all the way. It ran to like the 10 mil mark, almost 11 mil mark, and then it pretty much pulled back. So it's kind of just sitting here. We will actually just slap one of these on here, okay? And we're just gonna put that there just to see what's gonna happen. There's a chance that he could start ranging, okay? Start ranging across and then blow up, or it could just take a right and go straight to the bottom, or it could range across for a little bit and then drop down. Okay, so this is going to be one of those tokens. Like I said, it's really new. Keep your eyes on it. Make sure you guys check the holders and all that good stuff. You guys want to do all the research that you can on these tokens before you guys start putting money into them. And that's pretty much it for this. You know, this is Pendy, looking pretty good. It has a Twitter. My Twitter's all jacked up, so it's not going to really let me click it. Watch, we'll click on it, but it's not really going to let me in because I got to fix my Twitter. So, you know, anyways, try to say that they banned my Twitter page for some strange reason. I don't know what the hell that's about. But anyway, they got Telegram, all that good stuff. Telegram, you're going to view it in Telegram. Okay, it's about 315 subscribers. I kind of checked it out. It looked pretty good, you know what I mean, since I couldn't get into the actual X page. But yeah, that's Pendy, and that's pretty much it for the day on that one. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments. You guys keep your eyes on these projects. Pendy, that's just a new project that just came out, you know, and you know, you just gotta wait, kind of see what happens, if it's even gonna be alive in a couple of days. So wait it out. Slap it on your watch list just like that. Boom. So you got it on your watch list. Take a look at it today, take a look at it tomorrow, you know what I mean, maybe the next day. Keep your eyes on it for a few minutes, see exactly what the chart is doing. You guys let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'm out.